Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log in to your Union Bank credit card online account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open a web browser on your PC and on the top search bar type Union Bank credit card login. Now on the results, you'll see the first option, login for Union credit card here by Union Bank of India. Click on that link and you'll be led to the official website of Union Bank of India. Again, click on this link that states Union Credit Card Login. Then you'll be redirected to a new page where on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see Login or Registered button. Click on it and again you'll be redirected to the login page. Here, all you'll have to do is enter your Union Bank username and just below that you'll have to enter your password. You'll be able to view the CAPTCHA. In my case, I'll have to write the result of 10 plus 8 in the results section. If you'd like to refresh the CAPTCHA, you can also click on the refresh CAPTCHA button. After entering the result, finally you'll have to simply click on the login button and you'll have successfully logged into your Union Bank credit card online account. So, if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.